Have you been blocked by someone on Instagram? In this video, I'm going to show you how to know who blocked you on Instagram. I'm going to show you 4 different methods. To start, navigate to your Play Store. In the search engine, type Instagram and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. After that, proceed to open. With the first method, you need to search for the user's profile, or on this interface, navigate to the search button and click there. In the search engine, type the name that you are looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for Mubarick MD. So when you search for the person and you are not able to find the user's profile using the search function, it means that the person have blocked you. Keep in mind that the user may have also deleted their account or changed their username. With the second method, you have to check your direct messages. On the Instagram interface, navigate to the top right corner and click there. If you have previously messaged the user and you can no longer find the conversation, it's possible that they have blocked you. With the third approach, you can ask a mutual friend. If you have any mutual friend with the user, you can ask them if they can still see the user's profile. If they can see the profile and you can't, it's possible that they have blocked you. And with the fourth and final method, navigate to your browser. In the search engine, type instagram.com/ then the user's name, in this case Mubarick.md, and hit enter. If after searching for them in your browser and you can't locate the user's profile, it means that they have blocked you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. To see many content like this, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.